And I wanted to go out and go for a walk around this area. So I want to get my watch. All right. I look so tired. It took him so long. It took him so long. I was like, where the heck did he go? Didn't want to wet his slippers. The heck. Oh. Hey, yes. Why are you so hyper? Why do you want to pitch? Someone's giving me attention. This is their guard dog. Hey! Hey! You go get him. Good on that. The owner should tell this dog is too friendly. You know we are trespassers. Ow. What if we're bad people? Huh? What if we're bad people? What would you do? What would you do? Uh-oh. Itchy nose. Huh? Itchy nose. You're scratching his nose. You want me to scratch your nose? Scratch your nose. Scratch your nose. So anyway, this is Bayot. Oh, bye now. I'll see you later. Bye. See you. You want Nat to give you a leaf? Nat will give you a leaf. Oh, you give him a leaf, Bob. What leaf? I don't know what leaf. Her. Oh, her. Someone must have dropped their power bank while island hopping. Is it working? Oh no, the guard dog will get wet. What happened to you guarding Bayot? Stay here, I feel bad. Does she have to walk back this way? Alright, let's see if we could spot another resort and we'll walk the dog back. You wanna go back? Or you wanna stay with us? Quick, run! Come! Run. Quick run. Nice, no? And then we walk back. So we are trying to pass the road on the way back, so we make it for breakfast. Oh, I see a gate. Maybe you're right. It's saying no trespassing this way. Yeah, there's a big sign that says no trespassing. But we're coming from the beach side. Yeah. Cannot. We have to walk all the way back to the beach. Villa Aurora guests only. Unsa na? Crab. Mumaak sila? Mumaak?
Kamang.
Kamang? Yay, it's a baby crab. We are collecting crabs. Sand crabs. Para unsa ni dong pakaon? Para kaon ni? Sand crabs. Kamang. Bye-bye. Sand crabs. Oh, that was an entrance. Okay, we are back now at Maison B. Here, we could pass here. Open. I just love the jungle feels of this resort. Ah. What's your feet? It is. Yeah, it is. Cleaned already. If you guys want to see a full resort tour, it's in my previous vlog up here, so I'm just gonna leave it there and we're gonna have breakfast.
That's too bad. You'd have to find a cheap flight.
One of my hairs.
Yeah, a friend was supposed to come as well. And
So what? Say it again.
a friend was supposed to come around this time when I'm here. And she's from Singapore, one of my friends from Singapore, and she checked the flights and it was way too expensive. I think it was $800.
$800.
Yeah. Like Bali's so much cheaper.
Philippines is actually notoriously expensive
Yeah.
compared to other Asian
It
countries.
is.
Yeah, flying between islands is more expensive than I expected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially
Resort?
Yeah.
Siargao.
Yeah.
Like you can go to Thailand for a really nice resort, like
Yeah.
I would almost say half the price.
Yeah.
Mm.